Hi again guys, it's Andy here from Awesome 3D Prints with another print I want to show you guys. It's 3D printed chainmail. I'll show you print on the printer first and then we'll discuss it afterwards some more, but just a quick, if you like my videos, do me a favour and give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to get new content and tick the bell icon so that you get notified when I do new videos. Anyway, here it is printing and we'll do some more afterwards. Cheers guys. Oh, quick tip, don't forget, if you're going to print this yourselves, level the bed before you do it, make sure it's spot on. As you'll see in the beginning of the video, I didn't, and the first corner peels off and then I have to strip it off and start all over again. It's a pain in the arse, so just make sure you level the bed first. Alright, here's the video. Well, that's what it looks like when it's finished. Let's see how well it comes off the bed, shall we? Well, it's pretty good so far. And I can just pull it off. Oh, I'm not feeling very confident about that. Let's try and get the corners off, I think. Let's try this corner. Right then, back over to the bench. Alright then, so here it is. Oh, that's really weird. That, actually, I know it's a completely useless print, but this is the side that printed flat on the bed, so this is the smoother side. This bit's not quite as smooth, but it's still pretty good. That's just really, really weird. I can't see a use for this print at all. I mean, maybe if you're trying to make some chainmail and you use like a metallic colour or something maybe. But that is pretty wicked really. As you guys probably are aware, if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know I absolutely love print in place stuff where it prints on the bed and you pull it off and it moves straight away. It's got moving components to it and there's no assembly required, so this is like right on my alley, this sort of thing. This is brilliant. You may need, if you print and find that the stuff's sticking together, you're not getting very good movement out of it, or it doesn't move at all, you're probably over extruding. So excuse me, you're probably over extruding. So I'd look at your E-steps calibration is the first thing I'd check. I've got a video on my list for E-steps calibration if you're having that problem. I'll put a link in the description. But there's one mistake there. Look, I did notice when it was printed, actually one of the corners did lift a little bit. I think that's that one there. It's alright on that side, not so brilliant on that side, but no, that's really wicked. I like that. Alright guys, well again as usual, thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe, and don't forget to tick the bell icon so you get notified when I do new videos. Thanks again, guys. Take care.